Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to access auto call recorder files in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. Sometimes you may have set auto call recorder for all calls or some particular calls. Okay, suppose after finishing the call, if you would like to access the auto call recording file, then if you don't know how to do it, follow this video. First, go to files in your phone. Okay, for that, go to Samsung and go to my files here, and here go to internal storage, then recordings, then call. Here all recorder calls will be available. Okay, I have recently done one call recording. I play it. Okay, so in this way you can locate all recorded calls. Okay, what you have to do is you have to go to my files, internal storage, recordings folder, then call folder. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.